GoPro has long been the king of the action camera hill, but with the Hero 13 Black, it seems they're content to sit on their throne and make minor adjustments to the crown. The question is, are these tweaks enough to keep them ahead of the pack? Or is GoPro at risk of being dethroned by hungrier competitors like DJI or Insta360? Let's start with the elephant in the room, the sensor. GoPro Hero 13 Black Sports. The same 8.7 aspect ratio sensor as its predecessor, still maxing out at 5.3K video at 60 FPS. For those holding their breath for 8K video or a larger sensor for better low-light performance, you might want to exhale and grab a snack. It's going to be a while. However, GoPro has taught this old sensor a few new tricks. The Hero 13 Black now offers HLG HDR video, which should help preserve details in those tricky high-contrast scenes. They've also bumped up the slow-mo capabilities, allowing you to capture 5.3K footage at a buttery smooth 120 FPS. It's not groundbreaking, but it's something, right? GoPro seems to be taking the "it's the little things that count" approach with this update. They've brought back the GPS functionality that mysteriously vanished in the Hero 12 Black. Now you can once again geotag your epic wipeouts for posterity. A huge win for GoPro users. The battery got a slight boost, growing from 1720 mAh to 1900 mAh. It's not exactly a quantum leap in power, but hey, every little bit helps when you're trying to capture that perfect sunset time-lapse. Wi-Fi 6 support has been added, promising faster file transfers, making the process 40% faster. Perhaps the most exciting additions aren't to the camera itself, but to its ecosystem. GoPro has introduced a new magnetic mounting system, which should make attaching and detaching your camera a snap. They've also unveiled a series of HB series lenses, including an anamorphic lens for that cinematic widescreen look, an ultra-wide lens for capturing even more of the action, and a macro lens for when you want to get up close and personal with. Whatever it is action camera enthusiasts get up close and personal with. With these incremental updates, one has to wonder, is GoPro innovating enough to stay ahead of the competition? Brands like DJI and Insta360 are nipping at their heels, often offering similar or even superior features at competitive prices. For hardcore GoPro fans, or those looking to upgrade from a much older model, the Hero 13 Black might be enticing. The new lenses, in particular, open up some creative possibilities. But for those who picked up the Hero 12 Black last year, you might want to hold on to your wallet this time around. You can get the Hero 13 Black at a starting price of $399. Thanks for watching.